Hi guys, I am going to read English newspaper. If you have a time, you should also try to read. And reading newspaper is one of the good habits to learn English to enhance any kind of particular language, whichever you are going to learn. BJP to release public-driven manifesto for Delhi polls, says Biduri. Rambir Singh Vidhuri, MP and convener of the Delhi BJP's Election 2025 Manifesto Committee, announced that the party's manifesto for the upcoming February 2025 Delhi Assembly elections will be comprehensive and reflective of public aspirations. He revealed that the BJP, under the guidance of the state BJP president and senior leaders, has formed a manifesto committee that includes young leaders. This committee has held 6 meetings so far, identifying various issues and deciding to shape the manifesto based on the aspirations of Delhi's citizens. To achieve this, the BJP engaged in extensive consultations with different sections of society over the past 3 weeks. Biduri shared that the party gathered insights into public issues during these discussions, which will soon be consolidated. Senior members of the committee will finalize and present the manifesto as part of the initiative. The BJP launched an email ID ye.com and a WhatsApp number to collect public suggestions, receiving over 40,000 responses, 2,259 via email and 36,742 via WhatsApp. The party also deployed mobile manifesto vans across all 70 assembly constituencies in Delhi through its district organizations. These vans, launched by Delhi BJP election in charge Baijayant Pandey and co-in-charge Dr. Alka Gujjar, have collected 60,754 suggestions to date, which are now being compiled. Over the past 3 weeks, the BJP has conducted more than 40 meetings with various societal groups, gathering 3,567 written suggestions. Additionally, discussions were held with the 24 departments associated with the party and the Sangh Parivar. As of now, the party has received a total of 1,04,322 suggestions, reflecting significant public engagement. The BJP held consultations with the resident welfare associations, small scale industries, business groups, migrant organizations, labor unions, teacher groups, doctors associations, gig workers, as well as youth, senior citizens, and women's organizations. Further meetings were held with sanitation workers, the Purvanchal community, and members of the Jat and Gujjar communities. The party also received inputs from Praja Foundation, an organization focused on public representative matters. On Sunday, December 22, the BJP will conclude its public suggestions campaign with a meeting involving the prominent RWA, Urja, and other civil organizations. Viduri noted that public suggestions highlighted widespread dissatisfaction with the current government, particularly among women. He claimed that Arvind Kejriwal's free bus service promise is viewed as ineffective due to a lack of operational buses, forcing women to rely on alternative last mile transport options. Thank you guys for watching.